Are you interested in exploring the world of cryptocurrency and being a part of the latest trend in the world of investments? Then you should definitely check out Bitget Launchpad. Bitget Launchpad is a platform that offers its users exclusive access to potential new cryptocurrency tokens from various projects. In collaboration with the decentralized 3D artist community, the Halo label brings to life the interflow of value with the real world by employing the original economic system and brand effect. Halo virtual humans are crucial for entering the metaverse. These character models are more than just static images, they are the gateway to a new world, connecting the metaverse with the real world. In Halo, all humans can find their new identities in Web 3.0 and rediscover themselves in the depths of their souls. With a total supply of 500 million Halo, the Halo Launchpad allocates 2,500,000 Halo for sale with a total of 10,000 winning tickets, each containing 250 Halo. The sale price for Halo is 2 cents per token. To participate, you must register between February 28, 11 a.m., and March 2, 11 a.m., UTC, and complete KYC verification. During the snapshot period, which lasts for 24 hours from March 2, 11 a.m., to March 3, 11 a.m., UTC, simply hold assets to earn lottery tickets. After the snapshot period, the system will calculate and distribute the total number of tickets you acquired through holding with us. The Launchpad lottery draw result will be announced on March 3, 12 p.m. UTC. If you hold winning tickets, you can exchange your BGB for an equal value of Halo between the exchange window of March 3, 12 p.m. to March 5, 11 a.m. UTC on the Launchpad page. Even if you don't win the lottery this time, all eligible users are entitled to a random airdrop of 10 to 100 BGB. BBO is Bitget's first Launchpad project in 2023. The project has already seen impressive performance, with users who held winning tickets profiting over 1,000 USDT. BBO is also the first fully on-chain GameFi project running on Arbitrum. Only 19% of the total supply is initially in circulation, which has helped to drive up demand. Upon listing, BBO rallied to an increase of 20,000%, although it has since stabilized around a still impressive 4,000%. With Bitget Launchpad, project owners can tap into Bitget's vast community and extensive resources to build the next global brand. To learn more about Bitget Launchpad, head over to their official website, Twitter, and Discord. If you want to be a part of the latest and greatest in the world of investments, join Bitget Launchpad today and discover a new world of possibilities. Thanks for tuning into our video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. We love hearing from our viewers, so feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts or any suggestions for future videos.